Good morning. This is Peter Fronted for Allendale's Morning Wake Up Call for Friday, October 18th. So, going into the weekend here, and right now we have December corn up 1 3/4 cents to 408.5. November beans up 4.5 cents to 993 1/4, and December Chicago wheat down 1.5 cents to 588. So, what do we have here? Well, this morning we do have exports, corn, beans, and wheat. For corn, the trade is expecting some strong exports, somewhere around 1.2 to 2.25 million. Last week's was 1.22 million. So we're looking for some nice exports here. Unfortunately, this will not include the 2 million metric tons that Mexico did purchase, but we have that there for next week. So we know that we've got something strong next week. December did take out $4 yesterday, posting a low of $3.99, but then again immediately followed up with activity of buying, where we're now above the $4 level. So it looks like this $4 level is a very good point for any speculators, for any cattle feeders, anyone out there that are looking to buy. It looks like this is a good supportive area right here. For the beans, trade's expecting strong exports of 1 million to 2.25 million. Last week was 1.264 million. So we have been seeing some nice ADM sales in the morning. Not sure if it's enough to get us up to that 2 million level, but we should see a good export here today. Just like in corn, finding support somewhere around the $4 level. Beans, well, we did obviously pull back pretty significantly, but we are finding some support right now in this market. And since we've been seeing some regular ADM sales, we can look for this market to at least try to bounce a little bit here this morning, as long as we do see those good exports. Wheat, looking for exports somewhere in between 250,000 and 550,000. Last week was 439,000. So since we have seen 2 weeks of stronger sales, we should be able to see that happen here. Also, hard red winter wheat rains in the 10-day forecast are about the same we have seen recently, which is good. Those guys need the rain out there. They really, really, truly do. So right now is a good time for these rains. But wheat looks to be slowing its upward trend and more of a choppy sideways trade here. So what we need to watch out for in wheat is we need to watch out for the articles about Russia and the Ukraine. I know they had that bad drought. Russia did cut into their grain production yesterday, is what was reported because of the drought. So something, any type of headline of that could send this wheat market higher here. And last but not least, cattle. So yesterday's PM box beef, choices up 13 cents, selectors up $1.15, packer break even now at 194.56. So that packer cushion $7.60. Nebraska traded mostly 188 yesterday after we heard a trade in Iowa at 186. So we pulled back hard and then bounced right off it yesterday as soon as we heard the 188 cash trade. So good news there. That's what we needed to hear. So right now, futures traders have turned more cautious despite news of this $1 higher cash trade and continued slow grind higher in boxed beef. This may be due to the funds slowing down because right now they are at 50% of their record long position. And if the funds have slowed down, then it's getting tough to take out that 6-month high of 190.07.5 unless we do see some improved cash news. So just something to watch out for right now. But as we just said, with cash selling at 188, futures and trade are almost exactly in line right now. So if you do have any questions whatsoever, please call into 1-800-2-MARKETS. This is Peter Frontier for Allendale's Morning Wake Up Call for Friday, October 18th. Have a safe and happy day and also weekend. Thank you.